Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. Yay! And I'll be working on getting this top put back on. I'm glad we took it back apart because the idiot that put the top on for me didn't even bother to do what I asked him to do, which was spruce everything and paint it. So just got done making the drip rail. I've now got to just get it ready to go. We're going to lay the top on, get the window in place, and then I have to send this out to a interior shop so they can sew a zipper on, because the morons who build these freaking things, this is the only car I've ever seen that the zipper is all on the window side, the back window. So I have to do that. Like, I have a sewing machine just laying around that can sew whatever it is, canvas, whatever the heck it's made of. That's what I got going today. And then we got to polish her back up again and finally get ready to deliver this puppy. All right. Okay, guys. Mocking up the new top, because of course they screwed up the other one horrendously. Looks like it's gonna be good where it is. I like it. Hopefully we can get it back in place. Today I just have no help, so I'm kind of running blind over here. But we will get it. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. And we're gonna be getting everything going. Oh, one other thing. We started welding in the whole side of the car. So it's all nice and welded and going to be body worked. You will see. Like and subscribe, guys.